Morning everybody, welcome back to the cave. As you can probably see from behind us, it's not my cave we're in this morning. We're at YGHQ, and if you don't know what that is, it's Yorkshire Grit HQ. I'm down here in Scarborough with Glyn. Come across Glyn. Me and Glyn together. We've been away and doing things. Came down yesterday, we're headed off down to the Midlands, went down to Bromsgrove on a bit of a road trip to pick something special up. And I'm just going to show you what it is. Well, I'm just panning round. I'll give you a quick layout of the Yorkshire Grit HQ. That's the entrance. Coming round on this wall here where all this storage is, this is going to be the centre or the hub of the place where Glyn and Joe are going to be doing all the magic with the Yorkshire Grit. Coming back round this way, we've got a huge space down here, which Glyn will be filling with lots and lots of goodies. I'm just going to turn around again, and here we come for the big reveal. And there we go. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Jolly Green Giant. So we went down yesterday. Glyn got a Luton van with a tail lift. We went down, picked it up, used an engine hoist to get it moved and everything. Brought it back up, came back today, got it set up in place, make sure everything's working, which it is, and now Glyn is good to go. Good to go? Good to go. So, just a short video. I'll probably add this in with one of the other ones. I am planning on doing a video on Sunday. Today is Saturday, by the way. I am planning on doing a video on Sunday. What it's going to be yet, I've got no idea. But I'm just going to go for now and see you soon.